Hey everyone, so this will be a real world speed test along with a benchmark as well as a speaker test at the end here. This is going to be versus the brand new Samsung Tab A8 10.5-inch tablet versus their highest end Samsung Tab S7, or what I have here, the S7 Plus. But the S7 and the S7 Plus have the same CPU and GPU. But their displays are a little bit different, and this is of course bigger than the S7. So 10.5, and then this is 12.4 inch. So we're going to start off, make sure everything's cleared out. On Google Chrome, I'm going to be using. The histories have been cleared out, so that's all good. But first, we will go and show you guys the Geekbench 5 here. 1, 2, 3. I already ran the test. I'm not going to sit here and have you guys have to watch this test. So we'll go into our histories here. So you guys can see there's a decent sized difference between these two tablets, as would be expected from their budget tablet versus their high-end tablet. So 365 compared to 963 for single core, 1253 versus 3103 for their multi-core. So pretty good size difference there. Keep that open. Next we'll go into Google Chrome, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go to monsterhunter.com. Alright, so we'll go into monsterhunter.com here, 1, 2, 3. And you can see this has dark mode enabled, this does not. That should not affect performance in any way, shape, or form though. Then we'll hit first one there. Now I'll show you, we'll play the trailer, and this is where the A8 versus the A7 actually was a big difference, with actually the A7 winning. So we'll go here, we're going to hit the trailer. Now volumes are off. I do not want to get in trouble with Monster Hunter. Again, at the end of this video we will do a speaker test. So see, the A8 lags out a tiny bit at times on this. Or of course S7 Plus has no issue at all. And it's like there's a little bit of lag. It's not unbearable, but there is a little bit of lag there. If you guys watch my A7 versus A8, there's actually a pretty big difference. Where the A8 was lagging way out, because I was using it a bit more, and it was lagging kind of crazy. Alright, so we will go ahead and we'll keep those open. And then next we'll go into Google Play Store. We will hit balloons, and we'll hit this picture, and we'll keep that on open here as well. Go to YouTube last. Next we'll hit Roblox, 1, 2, 3. You know, a lot of people love this game. This will not be, I'm not going to show off the differences in Roblox right now. I might make another video on that. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. Next I'm going to go into Google Sheets. And we'll hit this old exercise one here. And we're going to zoom in. Again, this is dark mode enabled. The A8 is not. Next, we will go into Asphalt 8 here. 1, 2, and 3. Let these guys load in. So there is the S7 Plus is done. And then A8 should be, there we go. It's not much, not too far behind. I really wish both of these would do where it puts it back how you had it. The A7 does for me, but these two do not. For some reason, they don't put your orientation back how you had them. Then we'll do just a couple more easier apps here. So we'll do calendar. Next we'll do clock. Let's go into the world clock there. Let's go ahead and hit my calculator. 2 plus 2 equals 5. There we go. And now let's reopen all these apps. So first was Geekbench. So that's not going to reload. There we go. Maybe. Did that to me yesterday too. I don't know why. So I don't know what to say with that one. Next we're going to Google Chrome here. So that is perfect. That is also good. Next was the App Store. Both are good on that. Next was Roblox. That is good. The A8 is going to reload. Go back home here. We'll get this back into the right orientation. Get home. Go back to the right orientation. And then we had Google Sheets. And then the sheet itself. Both are fantastic with. Next is Asphalt 8. That is still good. Whereas the A8 is going to reload. Alright. Asphalt 8 will go into calendar again. And then clocks. And then calculator. And then if you want to, you can have on both of these, tap your icon, you can open in pop-up view or split screen. Go ahead and hit that. And then you can have a couple apps open on both these at a time. Of course, bigger screen's gonna be a bit better for it, just because it's bigger, but 10.5 shouldn't be too bad. Alright, we'll go into YouTube next. Alright, like I said, we'll go into YouTube here. And I'll show you guys, we only have YouTube open now. I'm going to search for royalty-free music, which is right up top here from previous times. Both basically the same. Alright, we'll start here with the A8, some royalty-free music on YouTube. My mic is not the best, so it will sound way better in real life than what you guys hear through this video. But you at least get a little bit of an idea here between the difference. Both these are quad speakers, and both of them do sound really good. So we have 2 speakers that side and 2 speakers on that side, just like on the S7 Plus, or S7 will be. So it is incredibly loud, and it is pretty good sounding, especially for a budget tablet. That thing sounds really good. That's going to sound better than your budget iPad, or better than the Amazons are going to sound. Just that quad speaker stuff is really good. But this is going to be better. Now, of course, the S7, which is again is 11 inches compared to the S7 Plus, which is 12.4, will sound a little bit different. But again, it'll probably sound closer to what that sounds. But here's the big boy. So the 12.4 inch SM Plus does sound better than what this guy sounds, than what the A8 sounds. But I wouldn't say it's that much of a difference to make me want to buy this over that just because of the speakers. It's louder and it's a bit better sounding overall, but again, it's not like that crazy amount better. Then two, this gives you an advantage of you can plug in headphones into the headphone jack. So this guy does not have a headphone jack anymore. So they can have plugged in headphones, or of course you can use Bluetooth headphones as well. Yeah, you guys let me know. Again, we did not do any gaming performance. The S7, SM Plus will blow the A8 out of the water with gaming. Did a little bit of Roblox on this. It's like a budget tablet. What you guess you get out of a budget tablet. This can do any game I've thrown at on full max graphics, and you have no issues. Try to do the same thing with this. This will lag out a bit on games. This was just a speed test. If you guys want to see an actual gaming comparison, let me know. I'll probably at least make one for Roblox on that. This thing will be way better for gaming than what that will be. But for normal use, you guys saw how they are. Which one's quicker? Of course, this guy, but not by all that much. And then there's a big price difference between them. So you guys let me know what you think, though. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you guys have a good one. Goodbye.